Before switching on the machine, ensure all components are properly placed. Take out the detachable water tank. Make sure you have rinsed it with clean water. Fill it up with fresh drinking water. Slide it back in. Rinse the milk container. Fill the milk container with some fresh milk and insert it into the machine. Fill in the bean hopper with some fresh coffee beans. Once all of this is done, power on the machine. Let the machine heat up for some time. Once the screen stops blinking, the machine is ready to brew. Before your first use, run a cleaning cycle on the machine so that it cleans all the internal components of the machine and the machine is heated up and ready to brew your first cup. Coming to brewing coffee. The Budan Brew 500 offers you multiple beverage options including espresso, americano, cappuccino, lattes and more. All the beverage options are displayed on the screen and you can also adjust the beverage strength and volume through the machine settings to suit your taste. Let's get to brewing now. Take a cup, put it under the spout and select the beverage that you want. I'd be making a latte now. And just under a minute, your creamy cafe quality latte is ready. Convenient and consistent every single time.